At Recruit Rooster, we'd love to get into the holidays, but when it comes to April Fools, things tend to get a little out of hand.
April Fool's Day usually gets a little crazy around here. We may or may not have a history of trying to one-up each other's pranks.
What? Who did this? Seriously, who did this?
Hey, Hunty. Donuts in the break room.
What day is it today?
So, big news here. Wifey's got me on a diet at home, so the donuts at the office are super important to me. Not funny.
I mean, so if you did want the RSVP.
What? Oh, come on.
Last year, someone bleached half of Drew's mustache. It never went back.
It's time for payback.
Gotta be extra careful today. I've made quite a few enemies.
I got you a Mountain Dew, just for you.
Today, I'm a Coke guy now.
Oh!
I hate April Fool's Day.
Well, we survived another April Fool's Day.